everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Meet the reimagined 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero, back stronger, more refined, and more capable than ever before. It's no longer just an icon of off-road prowess. It's a premium, family-ready SUV, Japanese Range Rover reborn, with plug-in hybrid tech, cutting-edge safety, and serious capability. Glimpse the front fascia, squared edges, roof rails, lighting. This new Pajero adopts Mitsubishi's commanding dynamic shield design, wrapped in a burly, box off-road silhouette with strong wheel arches and bold LED lighting. Its proportions and body-on-frame architecture promise both elegance and endurance. Close-ups of grille, headlights, body lines, side profile, roof rails, rear. Add overlay onto concept sketches or spy shots. Mitsubishi rethinks the Pajero's look for 2026, embracing a boxy, robust stance that nods to its rugged DNA while adopting premium cues. At the front, the bold dynamic shield grille dominates, flanked by sharp T-shaped LED headlights. The body is muscular yet refined, sporting squared fenders, integrated side steps, and elevated roof rails hinting at adventure readiness. Stepping inside the 2026 Pajero, you're greeted by a refined and spacious cabin. High-quality leather upholstery, wood and metal accents, and a calm yet purposeful layout set the stage for comfort. The central touchscreen is commanding, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and intuitive menus. Multi-zone climate control, USB charging, heated and ventilated seats, and even a panoramic sunroof bring luxury to everyday journeys. With seating for 7, generous legroom in both rows, and configurable cargo layout, the Pajero works both as a family transporter and adventure shuttle. Safety isn't an afterthought. The 2026 Pajero integrates advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Under the hood, performance in 2026 is about choice and efficiency. A familiar favorite returns in the form of a 2.4L twin-turbo four-cylinder reworked from the Outlander, rumored to deliver around 185 kilowatts, roughly 250 horsepower, and 450 Nm of torque when paired with a plug-in hybrid system. Expect EV-only mode for short trips, seamless torque assist, and improved fuel economy for urban and highway driving. Alongside this, a conventional diesel, around 201 HP, 360 lb-ft and pre-release expectation, may serve markets still valuing torque-rich drivetrains. Graphically showcase power curve comparisons between ICE, diesel, and hybrid, especially EV torque. Mitsubishi's legendary Super Select 4WD2, SS42 system returns, offering 2H, 4H, 4HLC, and 4LLC modes, great for adapting to tarmac, gravel, mud, or steep slopes and low-range modes. The MAT system harnesses ABS-based traction technology to mimic locking diffs, enhancing traction even without mechanical lockers. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe for more car content, and let us know in the comments. Would you buy the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero, or are you eyeing something else?